One of the biggest reasons why people tell me, CJ, I cannot eat healthy is because I don't have the time to eat healthy. Now, I completely understand that everyone's life is busy, but I'm here to show you how you can eat healthy and be quick and be simple at the same time. First of all, let's go back to the basics. If you follow any of the recipes on our program, then all you need is 10 to 15 minutes. This is most of the times even quicker than ordering for a takeout. Now, one of the things that I learned really early is the concept of meal prepping, in which you can spend an hour and a half every weekend to prepare some meals already for the rest of your week. This saves you cooking time. Imagine having a week's worth of meal or half week's worth of meal already prepared for you. The other thing that I really like are snacks. Snacks can be your friends. Things like nuts, fruits, or like protein bars or shakes. These could be really good on your weight loss journey. Then there are often different websites like Eating Well. They offer a lot of healthy recipes. They even provide certain meal plans and shopping guides, so you don't spend so much time in the grocery store. Then you also have food delivery services. Like in Dubai, I love Meal to Heal. They deliver pre-portioned ingredients and healthy meals right to your doorstep, and they even tell you about recipes. So that's a win, right? The next thing you can do is to track what you're eating. MyFitnessPal is amazing. There's also another website called Yummily, which offers really good recipes. And then to top it off, you can actually enhance your diet with superfoods. And superfoods like nuts, berries, fatty fish, they're nutrient dense, and you can add them to any meal so you can prepare them in advance. Remember, healthy eating it's not a time saver, it's your lifesaver. So your future will thank you for the time and effort that you invest in your health today. If you want more insights, more resources on quick and healthy eating, then check out our community program. We're here to guide you towards a healthier life in a more efficient way, so that time problem will go away, one meal at a time.